Hello, and welcome to this very brief webinar here today. We're going to talk specifically today about the compensation plan here at World Global Network. By now, you've had a chance to watch the 7-minute video. You've seen probably the comparison chart, and you recognize that we have a one-of-a-kind wearable technology device here in the marketplace. And when you see how simple it is to make money, to build a business, to earn income with this project, in the next few slides, I think you're going to get even more excited about what we have our hands on. You know, Bill Gates has an incredible quote: "The secret of success in business is in detecting where the world will go and get there first." And ladies and gentlemen, as you've seen in the 7-minute video, all the facts, all the economic predictions are wearable technology is one of the biggest emerging markets right now in the world. In fact, I was at Target this week buying a set of new speakers for my computer. I was in the electronics section, and they actually had an entire section called wearable technology. And it was such a wink from life, saying you're at the right place at the right time, and we certainly are. We have released the Helo version 1.0 here in the United States in September. We are first to market, and we are seeing record growth right now. We have never seen a product move this fast. In my 23 years in this industry, I've never seen something move this fast. And the reason is the system is so simple. We are literally sharing a video with folks, getting them on a quick webinar like this, and it's such an easy decision for the masses to make. The value of the product is enormous. The opportunity for people to create some supplemental income or even hit a financial home run, if that's what they're looking for, is here with this product. Of course, keep in mind, this is just version 1.0, and when you see the products that we have coming down the pipe over the next few months, you're gonna get even more excited about where the company is going. So let's dive in and talk today about the compensation plan. It's very simple, and it's very lucrative. Our very first component to the compensation plan is our fast start commissions. What's very exciting about this is this also applies to all of our customers, all of the folks who purchase a Helo. Maybe they're not interested in the business, they're not looking to make a ton of extra money, but they're gonna share it, they're gonna refer it, they're gonna pass some information along to some friends, and anyone who refers a customer will earn a 10% commission of the dollar value of that customer's purchase. By the way, this also applies to the loyalty membership. So for every loyalty member that you or your customers refer, every month they will receive a 10% commission on that loyalty membership. The team sales is where a very large amount of money can be earned. Up to $200,000 per week can be earned in our binary commission structure, and that's per position. If you get involved with our executive pack or our family pack, you actually have 3 business centers, and you can earn up to $600,000 per week. We use a straight binary commission structure, 20% of your pay leg, 20% of your lesser leg. We'll talk about that more in a future slide. We also have check matching bonuses through 10 levels. We'll talk about that further as well. We have a 1% loyalty box for all of our loyalty members. Whatever sales revenue, whatever commission volume comes to the organization for the entire year, you get a 1% loyalty bonus check at the end of that year. We also have a car bonus and VIP lifestyle trips. And so when you qualify at the Diamond Rank, for example, and you do that four times, you qualify for a $1,000 a month car bonus. And we have some amazing VIP lifestyle trips. For example, the next trip we have coming up is a trip to Dubai. We're excited about that. And it is a first-class VIP experience all the way. We also just announced a brand new Lamborghini, Ferrari, and Rolls-Royce shopping spree. For those folks that reach Presidential Millionaire 4 times, doesn't have to be in a row, the company will take you on a shopping spree in Miami. You'll get to pick out the Lamborghini, Ferrari, or Rolls-Royce of your choice. They will purchase it for you and hand you the title. Guys, I've never seen a bonus like this in the industry. This gives us all something very exciting to shoot for. And then in 2017, we are launching our leadership stock options as well, giving you an opportunity to actually have some equity in the company that we are helping build. Again, this is a game changer. This gives us an opportunity to not just earn money and revenue in the compensation plan, but to also have an amazing, stable, long-term play with the company, allowing you to have stock options in the company. So very exciting parts of our compensation plan. Let's move into some of these details here today. I'm a big believer in the power of two. And you know, in other companies, we would talk about, you know, if you enrolled 2 people your first month. But over here, ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about enrolling 2 people your first week, because it's so simple. We literally have folks that are ordering their device. They're sending out the video to some friends, and in a matter of 24 to 48 hours, they're enrolling their first 2 customers. So take a look at this. If in week 1 you enrolled 2, one on your left, one on your right, in week 2 they enrolled 2, and you see the numbers there. If you did that for 12 consecutive weeks, everybody just enrolled 2 people their first week in the business. At the end of week 12, you would have 4,095 people on your left team, and you would have 4,095 people on your right team. This is absolutely phenomenal exponential growth. Now watch what happens. Let's say that over the next 12 weeks, everyone simply shared this with 2 people and you reach these numbers. Take a look at what happens. If everyone bought the $320 basic pack, you would have earned $122,850. Guys, that's incredible, right? If everyone just bought the basic pack, you'd earn over 6 figures in the next 12 weeks. If everyone bought the $1,280 executive pack, you will have earned $409,500 in the next 12 weeks. And as exciting as those big numbers are, this next slide is what I'm most excited about. If everyone got the $59 loyalty membership, and we'll talk about that membership today, you will earn $24,570 a month in residual income. Now, guys, here's what's incredible. Let's break this down. Let's say that instead of this happening in 12 weeks, it happened in 12 months. Can you imagine how many lives would be changed if at the end of 12 months they made $120,000+, or they made $400,000+, or if at the end of 12 months you were at a $24,000 a month residual income? I like what my friend Jeff said. Jeff said, you know what? What if it took 12 years? You know how many people work in corporate America for 12 years and they will never have a $24,000 a month residual income? But what if it took 12 years to build an organization of this size? It would absolutely be worth it. But there are people that are literally doing this and more in their first 12 weeks, and this is a good example of what is possible. We also have our check matching bonuses, which is very exciting, up to 10 generations of check match. You can see here that on generation 1, it's 10%. On generation 2, you could earn your way up to 10%. On generations 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, it's 5%. And then on generations 8, 9, and 10, a 1% check match. Let me very quickly explain a generation. Anybody who you personally enroll is your first generation, and you can enroll as many people as you would like. Anybody who they enroll becomes your second generation, and so on. So you can see here that this could potentially become thousands and even tens of thousands of folks in your organization that you're earning this check match on. Again, it's very, very lucrative. Whatever they earn each week, you earn that percentage of check match that you're qualified for. So very, very exciting part of our compensation plan. So what does it take to get started with our company? It's very, very simple. It's a 3-step process that we like to promote. Number 1 is you want to become a product user. You want to pick a pack. Here's what's exciting about World Global Network. There is no additional fee to joining the business. You simply become a customer. They give you your own back office, your own a website where you can enroll other people, and you are able to start earning commissions by becoming a product user. And you're going to pick a pack. We have 2 packs to choose from. The first pack is our partner pack, what I like to call the basic pack. You get 1 Helo, you get 1 business center, and it's $320. That basic pack puts 100 SV into the compensation plan, and it pays out a 10% fast start bonus, $32 in fast start bonuses. Now, what we have going right now, and this will continue, when that person purchases the partner pack and activates their loyalty plan, we add an additional 50 points into the compensation plan. So now when you enroll a person at the partner pack, they activate their loyalty membership, it's 150 points that goes into the binary. And then we have our executive pack. Our executive pack is definitely the most popular pack because it allows you to utilize the features like the We Care for your family, like the emergency alert notifications. This executive pack, you're purchasing 4 devices and you get a 5th device for free. So you're literally saving $320. You're getting a free device. You get 3 business centers, not one, and you can earn up to $600,000 a week in bonuses. Again, this executive pack is $1,280. It pays a $130 fast start commission, 10%, and it has 450 points that goes into the compensation plan. Again, if they enroll in the loyalty program, we add another 50 points to that initial purchase. Now it's 500 SV for every person in your organization who purchases the executive family pack. Let's talk very briefly about the $59 loyalty membership. This is an optional membership, but there's tremendous value. So much value that 90% of folks that are purchasing the Helos, even as customers, are activating their loyalty membership. So some of these benefits will apply to the compensation plan. Some of these benefits will apply to the customer. So cash back, this is, in my opinion, the #1 selling point. It's a very unique value proposition. Cashback loyalty point program, 75 spendable points every month. Those points are the equivalent of dollars. So what that means is you spend $59, you get $75 back of credit in your back office. It accumulates every month for life, and you can use those points to purchase any products that you have. It could be future products, it could be current products. Those points accumulate, and you can use them to purchase products. Now, guys, we use loyalty programs all the time. We use credit cards that give us points. We shop at grocery stores that give us points. Our society is accustomed to loyalty type programs. This loyalty program actually gives you back more money than you put in from day one. It's powerful. You also have access to the We Care functionality in the app and the full SOS features. It covers up to 5 devices. So this is powerful. 5 devices are covered with the loyalty plan, and it unlocks all of the features of the Helo app, not just the basic monitoring features. Very powerful. You also get a protection plan that covers accidental damage and loss on your device. You get 512 gigabytes of storage, like an iCloud or like a Dropbox type scenario. You get a 1,000-seat webinar service. So for those that are doing webinar presentations and utilizing that for business, this is a great add-on, just another free service that you get. You get a 1% loyalty box commission. This means that 1% of all of the revenue that comes to your organization, 1% pays back to you at the end of the year as a bonus. This is powerful. They'll take all of the sales volume from your team for the entire 12 months, and you will get a 1% cashback bonus at the end of that year. The loyalty membership also puts 30 points into the compensation plan. So anybody in your organization who's a loyalty member, every month that they pay their membership, 30 points goes into the binary, and this is where the big residual money comes from that we were talking about earlier. It also pays a 10% fast start on personal members. This is huge. It means every time you share the loyalty membership with somebody, you earn 10% commissions every single month. Guys, I've never seen this before. Every company that I've seen before, been a part of, paid a one-time fast start bonus, but we're going to pay a continual fast start bonus every time one of your personal customers or team members pays their loyalty membership or purchases another product. You're going to get a 10% fast start commission on that. And then listen to this. If you enroll just one personal member on the loyalty program, your team volume in the binary never flushes. Guys, this is so powerful that you are literally considered active with one customer on the loyalty program. And this means that all of your volume, the overflow, the team legs that you're a part of will never flush by enrolling one member. So that's step 1, purchase your product and get activated on the loyalty membership. Step number 2 is become a team builder. And this is what's going to determine your commission levels in the binary. The way our structure works is in order to get to the top commission of 20%, you need 450 points SV on your left team, that's personally produced points, and 450 personally produced points on your right team. So the easiest way to get that done is to enroll one executive pack on the left and one executive pack on the right. You are now a team builder, and you're at 20% commissions. And that locks you in for life. There's no requirements at all. You're locked in at 20% commissions for life. Now, if you enrolled one on your left and one on your right, at the basic pack, you would be at 10% commissions. However, all of that revenue accumulates, And let's say, for example, you enrolled 5 basic packs on the left and 5 basic packs on the right, you'd have 500 SV, and that would, again, promote you to the 20% commission level. But again, the fastest way to get there is 1 executive pack on the left, 1 executive pack on the right, and that's step 2. And then step 3 is become a team developer. And as a team developer, you're going to unlock the rest of the compensation plan. Team developer means that you simply help the person on your left enroll 2 people. It doesn't matter what pack. And you help the person on your right enroll 2 people. Again, it doesn't matter what pack. Once you do that, you become a team developer. And as a team developer, you now open up the gateway to your rank advancements, your career path recognition, matching bonuses are connected to this rank. You're now qualified for the VIP company events. This is also a requirement for the car bonus, for the luxury trips, and of course the rank bonus giveaways like the free cars. All of that requires team builder before any of those things can take place. And so 1 on your left, 1 on your right, help those 2 people enroll 2, and you are a team developer. Guys, what makes our opportunity so unique, and the reason the money's being made, the reason people are having so much fun and so much success is it's so simple. Literally, this is how simple it is to build your business. Number 1, get enrolled. Pick your product pack. Number 2, send out the 7-minute video. You'll see below the website that we have for the team, www.helo.life. Very powerful. We also have personal customized replicated sites that you can order if you choose to. www.helo.life is available for everybody. It has the 7-minute video. It also has this compensation plan video and some further information on there as well. It's a generic site. No information is collected, and you can use that to invite everybody you know to learn more. So number 1, get enrolled. Number 2, send a text, send a Facebook message, call them on the phone, and invite them to watch the 7-minute video. And then number 3 is follow up. Follow up with a 3-way call. Follow up by getting them to a webinar, and you simply follow up, and you're going to be blown away by how fun, how easy, how simple this business is. We literally have folks that are sending out 20 or 30 text messages a day, and they're getting 10 or 15 people that are interested in purchasing the product as a result of that. So it's absolutely incredible what's taking place right now. Why? Because it's so simple. I like to call it comfort zone sharing. We're not asking people to get out of their comfort zone. We're not asking them to do something that's hard or awkward or uncomfortable. We're not asking them to become a salesperson. Literally get enrolled, send out the 7-minute video, and follow up with them. It literally is that simple. So guys, that's a quick overview of our compensation plan. What we're going to invite you to do is get back with the person who invited you here today and let them know your interest level. Maybe you just want to be a customer, maybe get paid to share, right, with a few friends and just want to test the waters as a product user. Or maybe you really are business minded. You're looking for a way to create some additional income for you and your family. You're looking for, for a way to maybe create an extra $500, $1,000 a month or a couple $1,000s a month extra revenue. Or maybe you're looking for an absolute financial home run. Whatever it is, I promise you, this is the right place at the right time. There has never been a product, never been a company, and never been a team put together like we are experiencing right now here at World Global Network. So we invite you to lock in a position, get involved with the organization as quickly as possible, and let's get the text messages going out. Let's get the follow-up going. Anything we can do to help you, anything we do to empower you, we are here as leaders to help you grow and reach your goals. So thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to talking to you soon.